Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE Impeller / Auger Base part #WH43X32857. The GE Impeller / Auger Base part #WH43X32857 is a replacement part for GE washing machines. It is the base of the impeller. An auger assembly, which helps to move the clothes around in the washer during the wash cycle. The base is made of durable plastic and includes a rubber seal to help keep water from leaking out of the washer. This part is compatible with many GE washing machine models, including some Hotpoint, RCA, and Kenmore models. It should be replaced if it becomes cracked or damaged in any way. This part fixes the following symptoms. The WH43X32857 impeller / auger base is used to replace a damaged or worn-out impeller / auger base in a washing machine. It helps to ensure that the impeller / auger can spin freely and efficiently, allowing the washing machine to properly agitate and clean clothes. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws that secure the auger base to the cabinet. 3. Lift the auger base out of the cabinet and set aside. 4. Place the new impeller / auger base into position in the cabinet and secure with screws. 5. Plug in power cord to wall outlet and test for proper operation. You can buy this part from www.PartsIPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsIPS.com.
Visit www.PartsIPS.com to order residential appliance parts.